Hi everyone! Today we will cover about React Hook. What is React Hook? React Hook is functions that let you hook into React state and lifecycle features from functional component. Remember, functional component, so it won't work in class component. And what's good about it? Basically, it's make it easier to have clean code inside your app. Today we will not talk about all of the hooks. Instead, we will talk about the three most important hooks, in my opinion, which is useState hook, useEffect hook, and then custom hook, which is made by ourselves. I think this one is really good and important. What will we do in this lesson? We will learn overall usage of useState and useEffect hook. Then we can create simple form that has name and age field. After that, we can store the name and age to the temporary database. Finally, use that form as edit form to load the data we saved and then update the data, just like in real project. Before we start, install your React app first. I'm using Create React App, and if you don't know how to use it, I will leave the link in the video description. In the next video, we will learn how to use useState hook. See ya!